There's been talk about Boyd Cordner's calf till the cows come home, and getting the captain's leg muscle right for Origin 3 has seen him turn to this.
We call this resonance when I do this.
An hour session of AcuEnergetics, energy healing,
The pain that's in the calf is actually static electricity.
which Kevin Farrow says he tries to get flowing.
So we're going to move it down so that essentially it comes right out, make it flow. You don't have pain. That doesn't mean it heals or it's healed, but it means it can heal faster.
And Kevin says there's ancient thinking behind it.
People understood the electrical system of the body thousands and thousands of years ago.
This a treatment for migraines.
Essentially what I'm doing here is creating a low resistance field.
Teammates say whatever it takes to get him on the field.
I don't know what he's doing, but whoever he sees, so long as that calf's all right, then I'm happy.
The boys may give him a bit of stick about it.
A little bit, yeah.
Boyd Cordner isn't the first athlete to be treated by Kevin, and there are patients overseas who travel here for sessions. Cordner put onto it by former league great Wayne Pearce. The diagnosis from this blues healer?
I don't know if I was able to help, and we'll probably find out in Origin 3.
Paul Caddick, 7 News.